Came all this way today to give us a fresh start, but now that you're like, wow, it's all like warm in the heart. I'm so glad you like it, sis, cause this is the real me. You have no idea how great it feels to be free. We've been falling out for way too long, so let's forget who's right and forget who's wrong. Okay, why don't you stay? There's room for family in my court. Short to always feel shut out and unloved by the sister I long to know. Life's too short to never let you celebrate me, the true queen of the ice and snow. Whoa, I never understood, but now I do. Life's too short to miss out on a sister like you. So you'll come back then? Back? Oh, the fjord is frozen over. No one can get in or out? Oh, so... I don't believe you.